In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a StarTrader account. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that if you want to delete your StarTrader trading account, so for example, a demo or a live account in here inside the Accounts tab, you can't actually do this because this will happen automatically. So inactive demo and live accounts here, so trading accounts, will become basically unavailable or archived or inactive, closed, whatever you want to call it, after some time has passed, okay? So of course, you just have to wait it out and they will get deleted. However, if you want to close your profile account, which is your account altogether, you'll have to send them an email with, of course, from your registered email, okay? So the way you do this is you go to the email you used to actually sign in to StarTrader and you send them an email to info@startrader.com, and you also have to put on some details. So if I show you here, which is their basically their support page here, they said that you want to send from your email to this email over here, so info@startrader.com, as I said, and then you need your trading account number, your full name, your date of birth, last 5 digits of ID card, and then the reason for account closure. Now here, you also have to read this important information over here. As you can see, you can't close individual accounts you're trading on. However, you can just leave them inactive, and then after some time, they will get removed, okay? So that's how you do it, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.